People versus Alba, GR number 130523, January 29, 2002. This is for criminal procedure, specifically on sufficiency of complaint or information. Facts of the case. This case was about the charge of murder that was downgraded to homicide due to the failure of alleging with specificity the qualifying circumstance of treachery in the information. This was an original case for murder filed against accused appellant Mario Alba for stabbing and killing the victim, Ricky Aguilar, while having a drinking spree. At the regional trial court, the prosecution alleged in the information that the accused, with intent to kill, treachery, and evident premeditation, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously attack, assault, and stab the victim with the use of knife with which the accused was then armed and provided thereby inflicting upon the body of the victim. On the other hand, the accused appellant Mario Alba claimed self-defense. The regional trial court ruled in favor of the prosecution and found the accused guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the offense charged in the information of murder with one mitigating circumstance of voluntary surrender. On appeal before the Supreme Court, the petitioner argued that the trial court erred in finding him guilty of murder despite clear and convincing evidence that treachery was not present in the commission of the crime. The accused still maintained his claim of self defense. As for the Office of the Solicitor General, they maintained that the accused's claim of self defense fails against the clear testimony of the prosecution witnesses and the self attended the attack against the victim. Issue: whether the trial court was correct in finding the accused guilty of murder. Ruling: no. The trial court was not correct in finding the accused guilty of murder. Pursuant to the provisions of Sections 8 and 9 of the Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure, the information should state not only the designation of the offense and the acts and omissions constituting it, but shall also specify its qualifying and aggravating circumstances. In this case, even though the Supreme Court agreed with the conclusion of the trial court that treachery attended the commission of the crime by appellant, such treachery was only treated as an aggravating and not a qualifying circumstance because though treachery was stated in the information, it was not alleged with specificity as qualifying the killing to murder. Therefore, the trial court was not correct in finding the accused guilty of murder. In applying the foregoing, the judgment of the trial court was set aside and a new one entered, finding accused guilty of the crime of homicide.